reason why we do this is because when we just look at numbers only all the time, we don't really understand why we do the math that we do. A lot of people always complain, I don't know why we're doing this math. Like, I know how to add and subtract and stuff. Isn't that enough for daily life? No, not really. We got more difficult math for more difficult situations. We need it for other things. Whilst you might not use the stuff we do every single day.
Like, especially at supermarket, you did like check it and ready to or something, like, I mean, not like 10% off or something, and you need to calculate.
It helps. Yeah, it helps if you need to know, like, how much you need to make something. Yeah, there's lots of ways that it can be. Alright, so this is the next thing we're looking at. We're looking at this question number 2. Akira's not quite back yet, or at least it's there it is. Welcome back. Are you feeling better? You were feeling a bit sick last week, right, Akira? Are you feeling better now? Better? You look better. Last week you looked like...
No, my leg is better.
Why? What happened?
Yeah.
That's right. What did you do? Did you fall?
No, nothing.
It just hurts for no reason?
Yeah, like once you like
the one part of the leg is so hurt.
Did you tell your mom?
Yes.
Okay.
It's probably because you're growing up. Once you grow up, like this part like hurts so badly for me sometimes as well.
There are things called growing pains. Yeah. I hope
Like
it's just
like my mother's little brother had that like for a whole entire year, and
yeah, you keep growing, your bones getting bigger and longer and like heavier as well, and your body has to adjust. Oh, she's a good student. But I still keep going further away. Okay. Well, let's keep going then. As best as we can, let's continue. Alright, we got squares here. It says here, explain how you can use the squares to make a visual model for this question here. Then write and solve a word problem. Okay, so we're going to come up with another story.
Yeah.
But first, we explain what we do with these squares first. And then we'll do that. Who wants to go first?
it's supposed to be like
Yeah, I mean, because everyone's already done one time, then we can change the order. But Danny, if you want to go first, let's go.
I don't mind it. I don't mind.
But you had it first, so let's go.
Really?
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you go next time.
Okay, so first of all.
First is explain how to use these squares, which means
Okay, so first of all, since it's 4 divided by 1 over 3, it's just because it's that 4 divided by 1 over 3, right?
Yeah, so what do I need to do to these squares?
You need, first of all, divide every box
Yes.
into 3 equal parts. And then...
Nice. Equal is very important, actually, yeah. And try to equal, it's not going to look super equal, but it's...
it is. Let's say it is.
And that's it.
And then we need color.
We need
we need to... I'm just going to do it myself, I guess.
We don't need to color them, though. If you're about to say color, we don't need to do that. We've already done what we need to do.
Yeah.
Now we need to write a word problem for this.
Okay, this...
What are these 4 boxes? What do they show us? What do they mean in the real world?
Okay, let's say we already used questions, so...
I use questions problems.
Yeah. So let's say there's 4 notebooks.
Okay, maybe this might work. 4 notebooks. Okay.
And let's say 4
notebooks. Awesome.
4 notebooks, and for each class,
okay,
he would use 1 over 3 notebooks.
I like that. Yeah, each class needs 1 over 4 notebook. Okay. So what would be your question?
Yeah, that is a tricky one.
It's gonna be a how many question.
Yeah. How many classes do you
Oh,
need?
sorry, it's not 1 over 4, sorry. It's 1 over 3. Maybe you said that. Sorry.
How many classes do you need
Yeah, okay. Do you need to...
how do you say this? I don't know.
Are you thinking of a word like umeru or something like that?
Oh, yeah.
Any ideas what umeru might be
Like,
in English?
no, finish definitely.
Finish could work. How many classes do you need to finish could work? Or
do you work?
yeah, that works. Yeah. If you want umeru, you could say fill.
Oh, yeah, that's definitely right.
Yes. Fill works for books and stuff, like writing everything. Obviously it also works for liquid, like water and stuff, and stuff like that. Anyway, how many classes do you need to finish all notebooks? What is the answer, guys? Please message me in the chat what the answer to this question would be. How many classes do you need to take to finish all of these notebooks? The answer, we need to take 12 classes. So maybe we don't have 12 classes, but if we wanted to fill all the notebooks up, then we do need to take 12 classes. I like that as a story for this question. Well done. Well done. Okay. We do have 3 and 4 here as well. So one of you, you got to come up with one of these each. So you can both start thinking who's going to take number 3. Okay, you can take number 3. Shizuku, you can take number 4. So yours is going to be 4 divided by 1 over 8. Okay, it's going to be 8 divided by 1 over 3.
There is 8.
Okay, probably there are 8. There are 8.
There are 8 oranges.
Okay.
Cut equal to 1 over some pieces.
Each cut into 1 over 3. Okay.
How many pieces of
Orange. We have to say are there or do we have or something. But yes, how many pieces of orange are there? Answers please in chat. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay. You thought you didn't make it. Is it because you're thinking of the answer in your head again and I gotta read your mind? What's the answer? Can you tell me what it is?
24.
That's it. But remember, you gotta do the lesson just like everyone else. You're not special, okay? In this class, we treat everyone the same. Okay. So, next, number 4. She's gonna think of a story for us.
There are 4 cakes. Whole cakes.
4 whole cakes.
Yes.
Oh, wait, this is important. Shizuku. What kind of cakes are they? What kind of cakes?
Any cake's fine.
You don't gotta decide. It's your story. What's your favorite kind of cake? It's your birthday.
I don't like cakes.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, I can't believe that, right? That's
Okay, chocolate cake.
Okay. They're 4 whole chocolate cakes. Okay. What if I start with one person can
eat?
Yeah.
Can eat 1 over 8 pieces?
That's
Piece.
right. So yeah, 1 over 8 of a cake is what it is. Okay. I have a funny question, but I'm gonna hear your question and I'm gonna tell you mine. Well, there are 4. Sorry, I made a mistake. There are 4 whole chocolate Yes.
How many person can
People.
people can eat a cake?
That's right. My question is, how many people can come to my birthday party?
That's nice.
How many people can do a birthday party? Okay, Ito decided to answer this quickly, and then he decided to not listen to anything we just said, I think. Ito, what is this question about? What did Shizuku decide to say?
Well, there's 3 oranges, right? So, I mean, 8 oranges, right?
Yeah, 8 oranges, yeah, that's what
You
she
cut
said.
them into 8 pieces, and one of the 3 pieces, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, this is exactly what she said. Yeah, she said all of this, yeah. Ito, Shizuku's question was not question 3. Shizuku didn't say this question. This is Akihiro's question. Shizuku said this question down here that I hid from you. Oh no, you weren't paying attention. So be careful, just because you answered the question, you gotta be here to listen to other people's stories, okay? It's very rude if you stop listening to this, okay? I know the questions can be quite boring. Sorry about that. But you've got to make sure you're paying attention. Shizuku didn't talk about oranges at all. She talked about chocolate cakes. We even talked about what kind of cake it was going to be. Okay. So, how many people can come to my birthday? But you even answered the question earlier as well. You still didn't notice. Okay. So, we got how many people can come to my birthday party? Please answer this question. I think we already did. Yeah, we already all did. Sorry, we did that. And it's 32 people. That's right. Okay. Okay. This is going to be, I think. Let me just check really quickly what the next page looks like, because I want to have one last challenge for all of you.
that's of course
Yeah.
test drive.
So is this the answer? Oh wait, I got it. Back here, I don't know where you sent me to. Anyway, so the last challenge is, you guys have some time, okay? You have some time to do this. I want you to chat me a story each. All of you, I want you to do this. You've got some time, there's no rush. Don't worry about perfect English. Don't worry about perfect grammar, perfect spelling. But this is the situation here. 5 divided by 1 over 4. You've seen something disappear, actually. Let me try to remember what they look like. I'm going to try to type up what you guys sent earlier, just to give you kind of like an idea of what you guys said.
That's kind of like, it's like, they can just copy, like, they can just change the numbers and, like, whatever it is, you know?
And that is okay if it's really difficult. I don't mind if you want to do that.
I don't want to do that at all.
Then you challenge yourself. You know what's really great is you don't have to worry about what they do. You only need to worry about what you do.
Yeah.
Okay, and we have 4 whole chocolate things. 4 plus eat 1 over 8 cake. Many people can come to my Okay, so I want you guys to chat me. It's going to be 3 sentences usually, right? First is how many things, how they're cut up or divided or shared, and then the last one, probably most important, is the how many question. So there's 3 sentences using these numbers here, and you can use these as kind of a guide to help you if you really struggle. You can use people's names as well. They like to use names all the time. Shizuku has like 8 flowers. I'm not sure. So we've got some time. I'm going to give you until maybe something like 8 minutes past, so 5 minutes to write this one? You have 5 whole minutes to write 3 sentences. If there's a word that you want to know, like I don't know how to say this word in English, you can ask me. But I think you know how to do it. Oh no. Is there a word physically you don't know? Or...
No word. Like I don't know in Japanese too.
Oh no.
Like I choose rice.
Oh, okay.
And
Okay.
like
Oh.
to make it hot, and we use 1/4 rice to make it hot, but I don't know how to write it.
1/4. 1/4 what? We use 1/4 to make it hot.
Like yeah, like I think Japanese is like takiageru.
Okay. It's kind of cook it. Cook.
Ah.
Let me think. Oh, what if you started your question with, you know when you go to the supermarket and you buy rice? Wait, not nice rice. Usually you buy like a 5-kilogram bag, right? Oh, look at this. 5. And instead of doing like make it hot or something, maybe it's 250 grams, so 1/4 of a kilogram for something to make. Maybe you could think of a dish like mamodofu or something. Because mamodofu uses rice, right? Maybe you could think of a different dish. Okay, you're really close, you know it's yours, but each train has 1/4 people. Means that one train has like 1/4 of a person. Did you cut me up again? Did you cut me up like last time? I think you cut me up again.
So I think I'm supposed to say 1/4. So I'm supposed to say 1/4 of the whole country. 1/4.
Yeah, I think you could say something like one person takes up 1/4 space or something.
Okay, okay.
But that's okay. You don't have to fix it if you don't want to, but we do have time, so.
Okay, understand.
It's a small train, but maybe train kind of like a small carriage, like a theme park or something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that. I can, yeah, we cut each maybe, but I like that. She's a bit. Did you get close with yours yet? Or are we still halfway through? Are we on the how many part?
I'm doing the last part.
Nice. Okay. I'll give you a little bit more time then.
I think 100% something strange, but
Okay.
What the heck?
I actually like this, but are you saying packs? Packs? Is that what you wanted to say?
yes.
Okay, pack doesn't need an E in it. So you've got like packets. We don't need that. So we have 5 packs of rice, 1 person will need a 1/4 pack. No. I actually think that if you take the E out of pack,
Oh my god, why does it count? What the heck?
your English grammar is getting too good as well. Don't forget the beginning of each sentence needs a big letter as well.
I am so I'm not like right now.
Do you notice that?
I'm changing.
Yeah.
How do I say this?
Heroes here. I'm just gonna try to fix yours a little bit. So just have a look at my message here. I get it. If I say plural or the suge, do you understand that? What that means? 是単数。
Wait,
是単数。
Can I see one more time?
Can I say it all the time? Yeah. Do you understand these words? So let me write them for you.
是头丝。
Do you know these words? Over here, Akito, can you see these? Do you know what they mean? For example,
I think 単形数。
Ansuke. So, because you have 5, right?
Yes.
At the
And
whole
then
is
steak.
Yes, but not just the word. Let me just.
Oh, sorry. All steak is not S.
What the heck?
Okay.
Okay, so this is my change to you. I moved each as well. I moved each. But that doesn't matter so much. So that's my change as well.
Oh, there's no steak. There is.
Don't forget your idoshi, which is there are 5 trains.
Oh, right.
Maybe.
Because they don't need how many pieces of steaks?
Good question. So how many pieces? The pieces is okay. So pieces of steak. That we don't need 6. Pieces of steak is okay. Yes. That was perfect. No, the last part was perfect. But well done.
What?
It's just a little bit of English for you to make sure that your English is super
What?
clean, super nice. Yeah.
Like I put a plus, eat the rice, but we need this the at here.
Who can eat the is fine. Yes.
Yes.
The reason why, because at the beginning you didn't say the, right? We
Mhm.
have 5. Yeah, but you changed the half there. Pace.
I
You changed it. It was.
know. My typing is.
Yeah. But V is next to C, so that's okay. But you didn't say the at the beginning, and that's
Mhm.
correct. But because you already said it, then next time you do need the.
Mhm.
I think you understand what the means, right?
No.
The is a difficult word to understand and explain.
Like,
But, hey, don't you think you could explain what the means simply?
well, it depends on what you're saying.
There is a general rule about it, though, that almost always is true. It's kind of pointing at this one, over here, that one. It's this one, not the other one, not the one over there, not that one. This one. And it's okay. Let me try to put it this way. I'm gonna try and say it in Japanese. I wonder if it's okay. I wonder if you guys understand.
Wait, I probably know it, but I forgot how to say it in Japanese.
If you use the, so if I use the to you, it means I think you know which one I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know.
You know that, right? No, I'm not explaining it just for you. I'll explain it better. So、相手がなんかどのものかしてそうだったら特にね、なんかこのものだみたいな感じでしてそうだったらそう使います。とかだったら何でもいいみたいな感じ。So, can you pass me? Can you get me a chair? Any chair is okay. I don't care which one. Any chair is fine. Can you get me a chair? Can you get me the chair? いきなり言われたら the だからどれかみたいな感じ the chair. Now, you can think of the sometimes as meaning 例の椅子を誰から取ってください。例の人とか。Do you know have you heard this Japanese before?
Yeah, I think I do.
の人。
No.
It's kind of, yeah. So if I say the person, the boy, or something like that, sometimes it kind of means 例の人。してるよね。名前言わなくても大丈夫。例の人。And it's like, that's the same meaning, the. So if I say いきなりね、続く、例の男の人してる
No.
Which one? Which one are we talking about? I don't know who we're talking about. So if you think the person knows which one, the is used. If you don't think they know, then the is not used. Which is why she's at the beginning of your story, you said, no the. We have 5 packs of rice. Because I don't know which rice you're talking about yet. We have 5 packs of rice. I don't know which rice yet. But after I know which rice you're talking about later, right? So now I know your rice. I know it's 5 packs again. So that's
So that's the reason why you also said like one cake.
1 cake. Yeah, we say like we have 4 whole chocolate cakes. In this situation, we know which cake, but actually kind of means 1 in this situation. 1 say only 1 cake. But yeah. So I know it's difficult to understand when it's explained, but kind of like if I ask you, what toga oshite kudasai? What toga? And you're like, watashi ga. Like, what's the difference? And the is kind of like that. You kind of understand it with more time and more, like, just tying it using it yourself. And if I tell you, you should say the here, not so you will slowly understand, even if you don't know what the rule is.
Yeah,
But if you want to know the rule, it's just, if you think the other person knows which one, that's used. Alright, that's enough there, I think. If you've got any questions anytime about things like the and other difficult English things, please ask me or please ask Marissa, because Marissa will also be able to answer that question. And all the teachers here will be able to answer. Anyway, I think that's enough there. That's all I wanted to do with you guys today. So, do we want to go back to tabs or do we want to do a little bit of drawing?
Tabs.
Tabs rather than drawing? Oh, okay, that's fine. I'm happy with doing that.
I don't mind which one you want.
I know that if I ask you if she's like,
Like, it's same as like my mom, my mom says like, what do you want for dinner? I say, you can choose anything. And my mom says like, I'm going to pick something. And
It often helps to let you pick something, yeah, but, I mean, I don't want to force anyone to choose, because that's not fun. Like, it's game time, it's time to have fun. Choose a game, you must choose something. Choose something now. And you think, like, it's not going to be cool. I thought I was having fun, Okay. Alright, Eagles first in my order here, and so let me do the first try at playing these guys.
Okay, well, the last round, those were close.
We did get close with 2 Reapers, yeah. I maybe with a bit more luck or with different guys with the Reaper, might be able to work. Because I chose 2 Reapers.
Anyway, the only problem is the 3 dudes are not coming from the start of the game, so which is really good. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm playing like crazy.
Do you, the other guys just got cute? Do you have big problems with black when playing this game?
Yeah, because I think just because I'm mobile, yeah, I think that's what's
That might be something.
Yeah.
I know there will be lag, there's always gonna be some lag.
Yeah, there's always gonna be some lag at least, but
I wish that in 2025 it was a little bit better by now, because I've been worried about lag since before you guys were born.
I don't know if I...
Yeah, before you guys were born, you think the internet... I know, I was alive when the internet started being a real thing.
Yeah, because once the internet came to the world, you still existed, so...
Well, I was born after the internet was first discovered, but I was alive before it became normal in, like, everyone's house, if that makes sense. So, it wasn't in everyone's house when I was little. It was in my house. When did I get it? Well, I have to think about this. When did I first get internet in my house? I think I first got internet when I was 10.
Oh.
I think so.
That is interesting.
Yeah. Oh, wait, no, I lied. I had first internet when I was 8 or 9.
8 or 9.
I just remember, yeah. That's the first time that I really, played with the internet. That is, I think, a loss I can't see, but yeah, that was a close one, yeah.
Oh my god! I think, we at least need 1 Reaper, and we probably just need, different guys. I guess.
Yeah, I think a Reaper is definitely needed, at least 1. It might be 2. But I'm not sure what else goes with it? Because we can't really afford much. Because I tried the Skeleton Warriors last time.
Yeah. So we probably need to mix some dudes to make the overpowered.
When I first had internet, by the way, we had something that was called dial-up. And this meant that it used your phone. And at that time, there was no cell phones. There was only one phone in the house.
Yeah.
And so if someone was using the internet, they had to use the phone line while using it. So someone couldn't talk on the phone and have the internet at the same time.
Oh.
So, yeah. And then because no one had cell phones, if you wanted to talk to your friends and someone was using the internet, you had to tell them, please get off the internet. I need to phone my friend or something. I need to phone my mother because they couldn't use their cell phone. Isn't that crazy? I sound like I'm from like a super old time now. Which should be good for this phone. And you guys were born in the already internet age.
Maybe like the tattoo heads might just be the problem.
Let's can kind of push them back a little bit.
Oh, the Reaper just go.
And slapped. Wait. He's no, he died there. Okay, you guys are also wait, oh, dude, get up. Why are you sleeping?
What the heck is
Dude, they're coming. Get up. Oh, he gets up now. It's too late now.
Yeah, it's too late, buddy.
But you guys remember before ChatGPT was like a thing, right?
Yeah.
ChatGPT became like big after you guys were born, right? So maybe you're telling the same kind of story as I'm telling about the internet, but instead of ChatGPT, you'll say, I remember when ChatGPT, when you're old, right? I remember when ChatGPT was not a thing, and you had to research things by yourself. You couldn't just ask ChatGPT everything.
Well, to be honest, like many teachers, like there was like many like teachers with essays like saying like every essay that I read on my YouTube of ChatGPT or something.
Yeah, that's a big problem. But yeah, the thing is you guys will remember a life before ChatGPT, right? But people born now will not remember a life before ChatGPT. It's always going to be something that they can use.
Yeah, it is better, but I don't really like to use ChatGPT. It's like, it takes like, to be honest, like it won't give you anything in life. It's just.
It's a tool, and
Yeah, it is a tool.
You should think of it as a tool. It can help you do some things very well.
But you shouldn't think it's like
everything.
yeah.
Yeah, kind of, like a hammer is a tool, a calculator is a tool.
Yeah.
You need to know how to use it, and use it well and safely, but you shouldn't use it for absolutely everything. You need to know how to do things yourself. Okay, this is looking pretty strong right now. We got these the vampires are really annoying these guys. I don't think we're gonna get there.
Yeah.
Oh wow, he's doing some big damage.
Oh my god.
If he gets some good hits, he needs one more good hit. Oh, I didn't get him. Wow,
It was so close.
I like that combination there of these guys. Alright, we have just about rush time. Okay, we have just about rush time. So you got a very short time. So just big guys or like something quick. Yeah, we got no time.
Okay. No rush.
Vampire rush. I think a vampire rush might be good here. Yeah. Let's go. Thank you for being super fast.
Just spam click the button.
Yeah, just spam click the vampires. I like it.
Oh,
Maybe all vampires might be a good team.
oh, yeah, maybe that might be the best team.
Maybe this might have something. The vampires are still going. So, wow, look at that. Yeah, Reaper just going crazy.
Yeah, Reaper is just going crazy nuts.
Okay, didn't quite get there, but again, kind of close. Alright, she's a good rush time.
But why don't you just like try with all vampires or something? Probably will be the best.
I think that if no one tries all vampire team, I'll try it. But I think that she's just going to try the all vampire team. And then we got 100 left. Maybe the skeleton warrior can
No,
do it.
one skeleton warrior is.
Steve!
Let's go.
I do like Steve. I like him. I'm gonna watch Steve.
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 Oh, Steve, he's still alive. He's still alive.
He's
these vampires do a lot of damage. They stop doing damage because these guys have like invincibility thing, which is really, really tough. Alright, last go here. You know what? There's a little bit of rush time. Steve! No, Steve.
No, seriously. We have.
Yeah, just one Steve. One Steve.
I think like we need a Reaper. At least we probably need like one Reaper and like.
Steve. You're gonna try Vampire again? We might get it. Like, it might just be a luck thing, right?
Yeah, it might just be depending on luck. That will be a luck.
Alright, let's try this then. We're gonna try the Vampire Mini combination.
I don't want to go. Yeah, the first one is like easy for the Vampire to put it like.
Again, we have so many available. Oh, we can just kill one.
Well, what time is it now?
If the Reaper hits, he hits really hard and gets a lot of damage.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks really good actually.
Oh,
Wait.
yeah, I think it went. Zero.
And look how many people we have left as well.
Yeah.
Like, we have like, this guy is like,
Sure.
User. That definitely was a GG's one. Yeah. Okay, so our next battle will be here. This actually kind of looks a little bit easier, but I'm not sure with all these archers. Have you got a lot more?
Archers.
So we can't just use like 2 Reapers or something. We can't just.
Probably not. I think they get sniped by the archers. We're gonna finish there, guys. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.